I start a process on UiPath Orchestrator. So the process is started here, and you can see that it's a few seconds ago. And this stuff will generate an incident inside of ServiceNow. So let's go to ServiceNow incident, and we'll see here test YouTube UiPath. Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Negulescu, and you know me for a lot of integration with UiPath, Salesforce, ServiceNow, Jira Connector, and so on. In the last videos, we did a lot of triggers using Slack and Microsoft Teams and so on. So today, what we'll do, you know me for the connector for ServiceNow, but what I will do today is to go on the UiPath Orchestrator. On the UiPath Orchestrator, I will configure a webhook. Yeah, so we'll go to UiPath Orchestrator webhook. I go here and add a webhook. I will select that I want some individual events, and I will say jobs. And I will put on the job. And when a webhook will be raised from the UiPath Orchestrator, this will intercept by the ServiceNow, and in ServiceNow will create an incident. So for example, when a job will be full, like an employer will have an issue, the same if a robot will have an issue, this will generate an incident inside ServiceNow. So let's understand what we need to configure inside ServiceNow. Inside ServiceNow, you need to go and first write scripted. And you go to script REST API. And on the scripted REST API, you will say new. And I will say event, we'll say test video UI. So that will be the script. And we'll say test. And we'll say test video UI. And on this test video UI, we'll go and create an event. So here, event, say, I will be a post. I will add the function here. I will show you the function. First, I will disable the authentication. I don't need authentication. Here, I will have a function, very easy here. I will put a function that will just create an incident to make a test. Yeah. So you can see here that basically I will get the body. We'll test this from Postman first. I will get the body. I will create an incident. I will put a short description, and I'll say from the webhook event, and text will provide a JSON as a test, and we'll insert this on the incident. So for testing, here very important, I remove the authentication and I hit submit. Yeah, I hit submit. And I hit update. Okay. Now you see here that this is the path, yeah, for the webhook. So I will open a notepad on this notepad, and I will have this path, yeah. And to be able to call it, I have to extract from here. I extract the instance of my ServiceNow. So this is the instance of my ServiceNow. And basically, this is the address for my webhook, yeah. So let's test this one. I will drag and drop this address. I will go to Postman, and on the Postman, I will say I want to send a post to this one, yeah. On the header, I will put content application JSON, and on the body, I will say text hello live on YouTube, and we'll put 11:37, yeah. And I hit send. Good, 200, and let's go to incident. Let's sort the incidents, and you can see here from webhook, hello live on YouTube 11:37. Yeah. So the webhook with ServiceNow is working. Now, what do I need to do? I need to put this link. I need to put inside of the UiPath Orchestrator on the webhook. So I'll put it here, hit save, and that's it. Yeah. So this is the way how you configure it. On Orchestrator, he will ask for URL, and you select the events. And from ServiceNow, after you do all this configuration, this will provide you the webhook. Now, I will not save it. This I don't save this because I already have a webhook to the Orchestrator, and it's this one. On the ServiceNow, I will show you the code. So on the script, I have this one, test UiPath. And on this test UiPath, I will show you the code from event. and I will show you what it's doing. So take a look on this code. So I go and say request body data. I will display the type, the robot name, the robot machine, and this will create a short description. And on the short description, we'll have from UiPath output data. So I will output the output data, event, job, argument, output resp in my case. Then I will put the robot name and I will put the robot machine. If you remember, on the UiPath webhooks, so if you go to the webhooks detail, you will see that here you have a JSON, yeah? So you have a JSON, and on this JSON you will parse, and you will have the type, the job, the arguments. Here you have the arguments, the robot. So I extract the data from this JSON as an object, yeah? Now, normally, I will prefer to say, okay, when a job fail, this will write an incident to the ServiceNow. But for me, for a demonstration, it's much easier to put the job to be complete. Yeah. So when a job is complete, just for demo, this will be rated to ServiceNow. So you can see here that the condition here on the event type, it was job complete. Yeah. That was the condition. And now, if we go to UiPath, I will go to default, I will go to automation, I will go to jobs. And on the jobs, I have a process that is called process team. If you remember, it's the same process that we'll use on the system with teams. Yeah. And this process, you'll provide some parameters, and this will concatenate the parameters and provide us an output. So I will put test from orchestrator, okay, to ServiceNow, okay, and we'll say live on YouTube, on YouTube 1140, yeah, save. And when I hit start, the system will start the process. The process is running. The process is already finished. And now when we'll go to the ServiceNow, you will see that the orchestrator send the data to the webhook. And here you have an incident, which is writing test output, test from orchestrator from ServiceNow YouTube live. And we have from robot, it was robot CN2, and orchestrator 2002, it's the machine where I work the process. Yeah, so everything was logged on ServiceNow, and you can create what you want inside of ServiceNow. I just put for short description to be fast and easy to see. Yeah, good. So remember, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos to be able to grow this channel. Yeah, and contact me and tell me what else you want to see on my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and stay safe. Have a good one.